following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A sudden blackout has been reported across the city as well as some nearby suburban areas. There have also been reports that this blackout was caused by none other than the supervillain, Electric Demonis, who seems to have came back for revenge. You are encouraged to take the necessary precautions given, stay in your shelters for now, close and lock all doors and windows. Most of all, do not go outside unless you have a valid reason to do so. If you spot Electric Demonis or if she spots you, run away as fast as possible, get into a vehicle and drive away as fast as you can. Do not attempt to approach, apprehend, or even try to fight this villain. Doing so will either result in major injuries or even certain death. Please stay tuned for further updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is an update to the previous alert established. Another supervillain has returned to LA, and this time it appears to be the supervillain and mutant, the Iron Tortoise. He seems to have some connection with the Electric Demonis who caused the blackout earlier. This creature is beyond deadly as he has super strength, as well as fire, breath, and his shell is made of pure iron, which is impossible to break using any firearm weapon. Follow the necessary precautions provided, stay indoors and keep all windows and doors locked, keep all noises to a minimum as the Iron Tortoise will most likely hear you and break into your home. Do not go outside unless you have a valid reason to do so. If you spot either Electric Demonis or the Iron Tortoise, or if any of them spot you, run away as fast as possible, get into a vehicle, and drive away as fast as you can. Do not attempt to approach, apprehend, or even try to fight these villains. Doing so will either result in major injury or even death. Please stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is an update to the previous alerts. It would seem as though not all hope seems to be lost as we thought. There has been a report that two superheroes have finally came to stop the Electric Demonis and the Iron Tortoise, and save us all. Their names are Shiftergirl and her partner in justice, the Phantom Magician. A fight with the two superheroes and supervillains have broken out, so let's just hope that the two heroes can stop them. It is recommended that you should still stay in your shelter, and do not attempt to interfere in this fight. Doing so could put your life at risk. Please stay tuned for any more updates on this situation. This is an emergency action termination. The villains Electric Demonis and the Iron Tortoise have both fled and escaped the city of Los Angeles. Though Shiftergirl and the Phantom Magician have failed to apprehend them, at least our city is safe for now. We give thanks to our two heroes. It is now safe to exit your shelters. I repeat, it is now safe to exit your shelters. Normal programming may now resume.